Look at the otter, guys. Look at him. Look, he's so cute. Look at him. You know that otters represent playfulness, healing your inner child, letting your, relaxing, letting go, being at peace. Oh, look at him, look at him. Look at him, he's so cute. Hi, buddy. And that's exactly what I'm doing, playing by myself, healing my inner child at the pool, just chilling, grounding my energy. Look at him, isn't he cutie? Oh, look at him. He's so cute. I love nature. It is so awesome. And it's funny because that's exactly what I was doing in the water. I was playing around like that. Ooh. Oh, he caught a fish. You seen that? Oh, look, he got a fish, guys. He's got a fish there. The fish is trying to get away. You see that? He caught a fish. Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? He's so cute. Don't go, buddy. That's what he does, because the fish, they hide in between the plants, the moss and that stuff. Where'd he go? There he is. I'm so glad I caught this on camera. One time he came up into my backyard and he literally went up on the porch, and when I went to go to the door, it's like he stood up and he looked at me and then he took off. And that's the first time I found out what they meant, and spiritually. And I was down that day, so I decided to come out to the pool, and I was like, you know what, screw this, Look at him. He's eating fish, he's catching fish. Look at him. He is so freaking cute. He's playing with the fish. He's actually playing. He's actually playing with the fish. Hi, buddy. Look at him. You like to play with your food, huh? Oh, he's chewing them up. He chews it. Oh, he just ate them. Look at that, guys. How freaking amazing is this? You enjoying that fish, Mr. Otter? Hi, buddy. Hi, cutie patootie. Otters are like cousins to the sea lions and like seals and stuff, because you can see they kind of look like, like a mix between a seal and but they have fur. Seals don't have fur. They do. Otters do. Did you enjoy that fishy, buddy? Yeah, that was a yummy, scrumptious. That was scrumptious, huh? Going back for more? Let's see where he went to, guys. There he goes. So this is the pond to where I live at. My house is back there, but I'm at the pool, so this is the scene that I get when I sit in the backyard. I'm just so freaking grateful that I got to catch that on tape. So cool. That was so freaking amazing. It's like a free nature zoo, you know? Namaste.